Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles. Long time guys, I'm seeing you, I'm talking to you, I'm feeling so much relaxed and happy. I just can't say you how much happy I am. So yes, today I'm here with a video of 10 essential monsoon skincare tips. So yes, without any further ado, let's just start with this video. If you all are living in Kolkata, you all might be knowing that it was so much humid and so much hot in Kolkata. You know the temperature of Kolkata already. I don't need to say you. But yes, monsoon is already here. It was raining throughout the day today. Yes, and so I thought to make a video on monsoon tips because I don't want you lovely people to skip out on your monsoon skincare tips. You should do that. Really, it's really serious. If you miss it out, then you might be in a big problem. So yes, I thought to share my views to you all lovely people. The number one thing to remember for skincare in rainy season is to keep your skin away from dampness. It sounds hard, but it's not, because the damp skin to microbes and fungi is what a candy store to a child. So yes, so these can result in all sort of skin problems such as irritations and rashes to all other bigger skin problems. So today here I am with the perfect monsoon skincare routine to combat skincare issues. So very firstly, cleanse your skin at least 3 times a day to remove all kinds of grime and oil that can clog your skin pores. Secondly, you must tone your skin, and to do so you must opt for the non-alcoholic variety. This helps to even out your skin's pH balance and also brings a glow to your skin. Now thirdly, the humidity that the rain brings can dry your skin. So you can go for a nourishing moisturizer like Olay Total Effects Day Cream, which will make your skin moist, supple and healthy. If you have an oily skin like mine, then you can go for the water-based moisturizer, which is a very good option to keep your oil secretion in check. Next is use a reliable sunscreen with good SPF. It may be cloudy, but that doesn't stop the sun's UV rays from wreaking havoc. So you can go for the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, which I am using. Ultra Sheer, this is a dry touch sunblock with SPF 50+, and this is also water resistant, and this is a real go-to sunblock for me. I really love it, and I'm using this for quite some time now, so I would recommend it because I really love this. Now it is essential to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells, but do so gently. Now stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Humidity can make you sweat a lot, and if your skin lacks moisture, then it will look pale and dull. While shampooing and conditioning twice a week will suffice for any other season, but during monsoon you must try to do that more often, because during monsoon the weather tends to be more humid, which makes you sweat a lot, and the sweat makes it easy for the grime and germs to latch onto your skin. Now monsoon is not the correct time for experimenting with artificial jewelry, especially if you have sensitive skin, because the humidity in the air will increase the risk of breakout. Now lastly, do let your skin breathe. Now wearing closed footwears will make your feet more sweaty, and the sweat in turn will lead to bacterial and fungal infections. So instead try wearing waterproof footwears like sandals and floaters. So these are all the 10 essential tips which I wanted to share with you all lovely people. So if you all like this video and find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So I shall see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, take care, keep smiling, keep loving unboxing, smile, share love. Mwah.